In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make MetaTrader 5 background white. By the end, your charts will be easier on the eyes, cleaner for screenshots, and more readable for analysis, especially if you prefer dark candles on a light canvas. We'll use the desktop version of MetaTrader 5 and cover two simple ways to switch to a white background, plus a quick tip to save your setup for later. First, here's the fastest method. Open MetaTrader 5 and make sure you're looking at an active chart window. Right-click anywhere directly on the chart area to bring up the chart menu, then click Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Colors tab. At the top, you'll see a scheme drop-down. Choose Black on White or Color on White. Black on White gives you a classic high-contrast look with mostly monochrome elements, while Color on White keeps your candles colored, typically green for bullish and red for bearish, on a white background. After you've made your selection, click OK. Your chart background will immediately turn white, and you can start analyzing with a brighter, cleaner appearance. If you prefer more control, here's the manual approach. Right-click the chart again and select Properties. Open the Colors tab. Find the background setting and change it to white. Next, set foreground to black. Foreground controls axis labels, scale values, and basic text, and black on white maximizes readability. When you're happy with those choices, click OK. This method is great if you want to keep the rest of your color settings exactly as they were. While you're in the Colors menu, remember that MetaTrader 5 lets you fine-tune more than just the background. You can customize candles, the grid, and price lines individually. For example, you might choose a softer grid color or adjust bullish and bearish candle colors to stand out clearly against the white background. Small tweaks like these can make a big difference in day-to-day charting. If you like the result and want the same look on other charts, save it as a template. Right-click on the chart, go to Template, and choose Save Template. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Then, whenever you open a new chart, apply your saved template from the same template menu to instantly match the white background style. That's it. Use the quick scheme for speed, the manual method for precision, and save a template to keep your workflow consistent across charts. Happy trading, and enjoy the cleaner view.